How to find Instagram account by phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how we can find Instagram account by number. Well, to find an Instagram account by phone number, the most reliable method is to sync your contacts with Instagram and check for suggestions. So first you want to open up Instagram, head over to your profile. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top, and once you're on this page, tap on Account Center. From here, once you're on Account Center, you want to head into your information and permissions. Under it, you can see Upload Contacts option selected and select your particular Instagram account. Then once you have done so, you want to select Connect Contacts, and once you have done so, you can tap on Continue and you can share all the contacts. Once the contact is connected, now you'll be able to find your recommendations here and you'll be suggested friends from your contacts. So that way you can see here, you'll be able to see the contacts here on the suggestions. This is how you can easily find Instagram account by phone number. Hope this video helped. Here to like and subscribe.